Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. So friends, here we are presenting all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week. So please support us by clicking on the like button and do share the video to your near ones whom you think the video might be useful for securing a decent government job. Friends, now let's begin and go through job updates of this week. So friends, first recruitment is from Central Bank of India for recruitment of 11 data engineers on all India transfer basis. So friends, here the education qualification asked is PG degree in statistics or econometrics or mathematics or finance or economics or computer science or BE Tech in computer science or IT. So friends, here the upper age limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 5 years of experience in data analytics or data science or data mining in commercial banks or financial companies or financial service organizations or IT services company with finance domain. So friends, here your per month pay scale would be between 63,840 to 78,230 basic. Friends, you'll have to apply online between 23rd November to 17th December 2021. So friends, before we move to the next vacancy, I wanted to share that Finance MCQ, we are providing the following courses. First is NHPC Senior Accountant Exam 2021. We are also providing course on Bharat Dynamics Limited Management Trainee Finance and UPPCL Assistant Accountant Exam 2021. Then friends, MGVCL Deputy Superintendent Accounts Exam 2021 and Indian Oil Trade Apprentice Accountant Exam. And friends, we are also providing course on IREL India Limited Graduate Trainee Finance Exam 2021. So friends, if you applied for any of these courses, you can go and practice for your exam on Finance MCQ website. The link is given in the description box below, and we'll continue to add some more finance related courses on the website in future as well. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Central Bank of India for the recruitment of 10 vacancies of credit officer. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA, CFA or an associate cost and management accountant or an MBA finance. So friends, the upper age limit here is 34 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 3 years of experience if you are a CA, CFA or ACMA, while for MBA finance you should be having 4 years of experience in public sector banks, financial institutions, credit rating agencies and NBFCs in corporate credit appraisal or assessment. So friends, here your per month pay scale would be 63,840 to 78,230 every month. So friends, here again you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd November to 17th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 20 vacancies of financial analyst on all India basis. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA, CFA, CMA or MBA finance. So friends, the upper age limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies, and if you are a CA, CFA, CMA, you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy, while if you are an MBA finance, you should be having 3 years of experience as an officer in a public sector bank or undertaking in a reputed field. So friends, in this case your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 48,170 to 69,810. And friends, here again you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd November to 17th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Central Bank of India for the recruitment of 5 vacancies under Risk Manager Scale 3 category, while 10 vacancies are there for Risk Manager Scale 2 category. And as far as education qualification is considered, it is MBA Finance or Banking or its equivalent or PG Diploma in Banking, Finance or Statistics. While if you want to apply for Risk Manager Scale 2, you should be having minimum 60% marks in all of these education qualifications. And friends, these are permanent vacancies and upper age limit is 35 years. And friends, as far as experience is considered, for Risk Manager Scale 3 you should be having 3 years of experience, while for Risk Manager Scale 2 you should be having 2 years of experience in risk management or credit or treasury or asset liability management. So friends, per month pay scale would be 63,840 to 78,230 in case of Risk Manager Scale 3, while it would be between 48,170 to 69,810 basic in case of Risk Manager Scale 2. So friends, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on friends, next vacancy is from Tata Memorial Hospital, which is an autonomous body under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of Assistant Accounts Officer at Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a CMA, CA or MBA Finance or a postgraduate in Commerce or passed the Subordinate Account Services exam or equivalent. So friends, the age limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 10 years of experience in billing, salary, budget, cash and bank, balance sheet, etc. While this experience is reduced to 3 years in case you are a CA or a CMA. So friends, you'll get a package of 8.50 lakhs per annum and you'll have to apply online latest by 7th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Tata Memorial Hospital, and this time the recruitment is for 12 vacancies of assistant at Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation along with computer course of minimum 3 months duration in MS Office. And friends, please note that candidates having diploma or degree in computer or IT are exempted from this 3 months computer course eligibility. So friends, the upper age limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 7 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And friends, the package would be 6.80 lakhs and you'll have to apply online latest by 7th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy from the same organization, that is Tata Memorial Hospital, for the recruitment of 40 vacancies of lower division clerk. So friends, the educational qualification is same as shown in the previous slide. While the upper age limit is 27 years, these are permanent vacancy and in this case you need to have only 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy and you will get a package of 4 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 7th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Fertilizers Limited, which is a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of store assistant grade 2 at Uttar Pradesh. So friends, the educational qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks and the upper age limit is 30 years. So friends, these are permanent vacancy and freshers are eligible to apply. And your per month pay scale would be 23,000 to 56,500 and you'll have to apply online latest by 24th November 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of assistant grade 3 in transportation category. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. So friends, here the upper age limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are also eligible to apply here as well. So friends, the per month pay scale, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of office assistant grade 3. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks along with advanced computer skills in MS Office such as MS Excel, MS Word, MS PPT. So friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and again freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, your per month pay scale, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous 2 slides. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from BEL Thales System Limited, which is a joint venture between Bharat Electronics Limited and Thales. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancies of accounts officer at Bengaluru. So friends, the education qualification asked is either CA or CMA and the upper limit is 34 years. So friends, these are contractual vacancies and you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy and you'll get a package of 10 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 7th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from the Institute of Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine, an autonomous institute under Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for clerk, finance and accounts. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline and the upper limit is 30 years. So friends, here there are 1 vacancy. This is a permanent vacancy and there is no compulsory experience requirement. However, the desirable experience asked is of 3 years. So friends, in this case, you'll get a package of 4.40 lakhs and you'll have to apply online latest by 5th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of management assistant under admin, accounts, purchase, hospitality and service category. So friends, here there are total 3 vacancies and the place of posting would be Bangalore. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation or PG diploma in financial management, materials management, personal management and knowledge of Tally ERP. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and as I said, there are total 3 vacancies and you need to have total 5 years of experience in accounting, finance, admin, purchase, hospitality, etc. And out of these 5 years, 3 years should be in supervisory capacity. And friends, you'll get a package of 8.50 lakhs per annum. Friends, hurry up, you'll have to apply online latest by 5th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, which is an autonomous institute under Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancies of accountant at Chandigarh. So friends, the education qualification is graduation in commerce and the upper age limit is 35 years. So friends, this is a permanent vacancy and you need to have 5 years of experience in commercial or educational institute or a government office. So friends, here the experience of 5 years is reduced to 2 years for an SAS accountant. So friends, the package would be 6.80 lakhs and you have to apply offline to the organization latest by 19th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited, which is a central public sector enterprise under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of accounts assistant trainee at Guwahati. So friends, this is a stipendary based employment. Will get a consultant amount of 21,000 every month, and freshers are eligible to apply here. And as far as education qualification is considered, you should be a BCom with minimum 50% marks along with a typing speed of 40 words per minute in English. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 11th December 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.